Okay, so let's start this unboxing. We've got our package here that we got from Best Buy. They just shipped to us. It was shipped to us from their location at Shepherdsville, Kentucky. So without much further ado, we'll look at it. Not a lot of material in here except just the box for the ZV-E10 that we got. So um, pretty simple, pretty small box, not too big. Um, Dry erase marker for a comparison on size of the box. It's not that big, so we'll just get right in here and see what's in here. We got some reading material, the manual, not too big, sort of small, limited warranty. We've got a chance to have $1,000 Visa prepaid card if you register your product. Yes. Reference guide, lenses, and other accessories that you can get for your ZV-E10. More information in various languages, including every language you ever wanted to speak. And then a final owner's manual guide in, looks like French. So that's that. Top of the box has a note for how the camera body gets warm, how dust and debris inside the camera and land on the surface of the image sensor. The spots may appear on the image. There you go. So then we open that and we look in here. We've got a series of items. We have the microphone wind baffle sock. We've got a power block with the USB connection. We have a battery for the camera, a strap, and a what looks like a USB to a USB-C connector that could come in handy. That was nice of them to supply that. And then the final and the main attraction, wrapped in sort of a plastic type cloth, is our camera with the lens included. As you can see, it's basic, nothing else in the box. So there you go. So we'll be looking at getting this thing going to start doing some more, say, higher quality content for our videos, for YouTube, for other content we want to make for the kids, and also for work. And instead of using our budget setup, which includes an old iPhone and webcam, which is what I'm using right now. Let me move that over here and I'll show you. The webcam that we have now is not the best quality, but for picture in picture, it doesn't do too bad. However, we're looking forward to setting this camera up to capture better quality video and to do more quality video shoots out in the field wherever we go. The other reason we got this camera was for the purposes of doing photography. Instead of using our smartphones like we've been doing for the last several years, getting back into doing photography using a actual 35 millimeter type camera, and being able to use this feature that the ZV-E10 has, which is having the ability to switch out interchangeable lenses. This one came with the lens. It was about just under $800 plus tax from a Best Buy. One thing we did have to do was have it delivered because Best Buy was out of the item in the store, and we went to several stores and they were not there. They even checked nearby stores. It was out. So we had them deliver it. You can also get it on Amazon for about the same price, if not exact same price. However, we like to support local um, stores if possible. And one thing that Best Buy has over Amazon is that they do have local brick and mortar stores to be able to use, to be able to go and check out the items that are available and to purchase from the knowledgeable staff there. I say that a little bit with tongue in cheek because some of the staff is not as knowledgeable as others. So if you've seen our other videos, you might have seen our problems with trying to get uh, information about smartphones. So you might want to check out those videos on our attempt at finding smartphone, phone with phone with a dual SIM capability. So we're going to go ahead and get these items attached, and then probably the next video that you see from us here at Driving It Home will be with using the new setup with the Sony ZV-E10 here. Thank you for sticking with us and checking this out with us as we unbox the ZV-E10 camera for our YouTube video setup and for our general use out and about. Thank you so much. Join us later. Thank you. Bye-bye.